Johanna.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share an easy, no-sew way to make some mini notebooks which make really beautiful little stocking stuffers. So this is a technique that's been around for a while and you've probably seen it before, but I wanted to resurface this idea on my channel as it's such an easy and quick way to make a beautiful little book without any sewing. So here you can see a few variations that I've made. One of these is made with craft paper for a soft vintage touch, and then the other is actually made by recycling paintings done by my children. So this is a really cool idea for those artworks you don't really know what to do with. This is a great way for little kids to make a functional and useful gift just by doing some personalized paintings and by folding them up into something that can be enjoyed and used. To make these books is really simple. You need at least one sheet of paper in any size that you like. I've used A4 sheets, but the bigger sheets you use, the bigger your notebook will be. So I personally like to use at least 5 sheets to make a thicker book. And first of all, you just fold the paper in half long ways, and then you fold it over again, and then you fold each side back onto itself, which in the end gives you like a zigzag or a W or M shape fold. And then when you open it out a little, you just need to take your scissors and cut off the smallest amount that you can off of the 2 middle panels. And this is just to create an opening or a hole. So you just really want to take off the smallest amount that you can so that it's open there. And then once you've done that, you can refold it. So we're going to refold it slightly differently. And this time you're creating like a diamond shape with the hole, and the pages will fold together to create a little booklet. So you can go ahead and use glue to glue the pages together where they double, and this will make it feel thicker and it'll make the whole thing more permanent. And this is basically the whole technique, only for me I like to do this numerous times and then adhere multiple booklets together so that I can have a thicker little book. So you just repeat the steps and then you can glue a stack of them together until you're happy with the size or the width. Once you're done, you can create a cover. So I'm going to show you a few different ways to do that. So you can easily just glue some cardstock onto the back and the front to make the covers feel more sturdy, and then you can just leave the spine exposed as a really easy way. Or if you want to, you can wrap one piece of card around for a slightly different look. So to do that, I just measured the width of my books, the width of the spine, and then I just measured out the card and scored it according to those measurements, and then I just glued the front and back pages of the book to the inside cover to attach it all together. Once you have a sturdy cover on, you can decorate it however you want. So in my examples, I just glued on some of the linen printables I have in my Etsy shop. So these just look like embroidery on paper, so they are very pretty and they give a bit of a vintage look. But you could paint your cover, put decorative paper, scrapbook paper, fabric, or whatever else you can imagine. You can give these books blank or customize them with photos, pockets, or additional decorations inside. It's up to you. You could get creative as you want to make these more detailed and more involved. You could give them as a single notebook, or you could give a whole set, and they just make a really cute and easy handmade present. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for tomorrow's tutorial, which will be another variation of this technique. So if you'd like to see that, make sure you're subscribed and I'll see you there. Bye.